This is the original CI4, which is a lighter version of the Stradic, and since they did this, they renamed it as Vanford. It's a very powerful, lightweight version of the original Stradic. And this is what the new Vanfords look like today. Very sleek, really good color coordination. And for a while there, I was using this almost all the time.
Yeah, can you clear the... Oh, here we go again.
Here's the same one.
Can you clear the other rod?
Okay.
This one's not as big as the other one, though.
Okay. So you can land this one this time.
Yeah.
You it on?
It's on. Okay. Yeah, use the handle of the pole and just put it back in. This way he'll live. Yeah, use the handle like that, yeah. Good job. Good job. Hanapa, something hit the lizard fish. Unreal. Woo. Actually, something hit the lizard. Oh, B. I just snagged a baby little lizard fish, threw it out. 5 minutes later, boom. Got a nice little hit. Don't know what it is, but that was fast. It's on the surface. It's pulling a little. Okay. Don't want to horse it, but he is taking a little bit of line, which is all right. Don't want him going to the mangroves either. He's heading that way. He was out in the middle of the channel, but now he's coming to the mangroves, so I'm gonna have to force him a little. I wonder what he is. I see color. Looks like a papillo. Yep. Look at that. Oh, no you don't, 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 no you don't. Yes, he's up. And got my... Oh. Doesn't want to come up yet. Oh man, got a strike, big strike. Whoa! This is on the 11-footer. Man, I had the crab on this one. That's right. I changed from taco to crab and it hit. Whew. Amazing. Man, did this take off.
You gotta turn on his side before I can...
I think he has a lot of feet left in him. Over here, we want to fight him because it's shallow here.
There.
Look, yeah, I see the other one.
That's
the one.
That's a big one.
No, the other one.
5 pounds, maybe.
Yeah, the other one. I want to fight him into the shallows. Yeah. This is where we're going to have the edge.
Turn on the side. There you go.
Yeah, he's coming. I'm trying to get him more into the shallows.
Yep.
Just going to walk him in. Here we go. Hey, you might be getting him on the shore. Go on the shore. I'll walk him to the shore.
He's coming right
Okay.
Oh, shit.
Oh. I'm going to walk back. I'm going to walk. Okay, shoreline. I'm going to get him to the shoreline. I'm going to walk him back. Got him. Woohoo! I say he's what, about 4, maybe? What do you think? You think so?
Yeah.
Kind of big though for.
Nice size.
Woohoo! All right. All right.
Terrific. That's a good kid.
Back then, our equipment wasn't as strong or as beautifully manufactured as it is today. My original equipment back then could never hold a candle to what we're using now. But I love just playing the fish. I don't care about bringing fish home. I just love the thrill and the fight. That's all I really wanted. And throughout the years, the equipment started to get more expensive, but it started getting better, more reliable. But back then, I used to use the heck out of these Stradics. I loved the Stradic, and then the Stradic CI4. This was a very good line. Although I'm using Okuma now, I still have fond memories of this. There's a lot of companies out there that put out really good equipment. This was one of the ones that, from what I've seen, has continued to be a good reel. Thank you.